Welcome to Supista Project Management System. This video tutorial is about task log report. Have you ever wondered where your team's time actually goes? With multiple projects running simultaneously, it becomes difficult to know who worked on what, when they worked, how long it actually took. That's exactly what the task log report is designed to solve. Let's take a look. Here you will find a complete record of every task and subtask performed by your employees. For each task, Sopista automatically captures project name, epic name, task title, subtask title, start date and time, end date and time, description, hours worked, and status. This means you no longer have to depend on manual status updates or follow up with employees to understand the progress of work. Everything is recorded automatically as it happens. If you need to review the work done on a specific project, we can simply select the project using filter. Now, here, as you can see, I have entered a specific project. Now, I'll go on to aggregate, select hours worked, and click on apply changes. When I scroll further, I can see the total number of hours worked for this specific project. It provides you option of pinning any particular column. Suppose here I have pinned task title, so when I scroll, I'll be able to see all the information regarding it. Now, suppose if I want to see what user has worked on what, how many hours they have worked, I can simply go to this filter and select the user that I want to see. So then when I'll scroll further, I'll be able to see all the tasks this user has done, the total number of hours they have worked. Now, if I want to see a specific date, suppose I have here selected this month, I'll be able to see the total hours worked for this month for this particular user. Similarly, you can use filter on almost all of the columns. Like you can select task status, so you'll able to see just the tasks which have already been completed. You can narrow the report using any of the filters, allowing you to focus on only the information that is relevant to you. You can also export the data in CSV export by simply clicking on this. Whether you are conducting project reviews, investigating delays, or preparing employee performance evaluation, the task log report gives you a single source of truth for every task executed within your organization. That is it for this video. Thank you.